it's me, Ginny, and I'd like to welcome you to my mama's new animal video. Cool!
Hey, Rooster, you don't scare us. We make noise too.
Hi, Ginny. Where are we going? Tell me. Where are we going? Where are we go? Oh, what? Where are we going? Where are we going? Apparently you want to go there. Come on. We're going to go get the mail. All right. Tell me about it. We're going to get the mail. Go open the door. Where are we going? Tell Mama. Ooh. Okay. All right, let's go. Arr. Oh. Oh. All right, now, I don't want to... Arr. Tell me what you want. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna stop videoing and I'm gonna open the door. What do you think? Good? All right.
Don't you want some puppy to love? Don't you need some puppy to love? Won't you want some puppy to love? You better find some puppy to love. Don't you want some puppy to love? Don't you need some puppy to love? Better find some puppy to love.
We decided to do this video in 2 or 3 parts. We have videos of lots of other animals like cats and lions and tigers and bears. Oh my!
Hey, Mama, I'm the one who told you to do that because it was too long.
Hey, I told her that too. I did. I told her too.
Oh, don't fight, darlings. It doesn't matter who told her, as long as we're gonna be in the next one.
I'm a little bug up, looking for a snuggle. Won't you come and cuddle with me? Come over and surround me, wrap your arms around me.
W.C. Fields, I think it was, who said, "Do not work with kids or dogs." And there's a reason for that. If only somebody would give me treats, I think that I could be funnier. All right, thank you for joining us, and please enjoy our next video. That's it.
Sometimes I just gotta like the fish out of the water and get a snuggle from you. Then I'm feeling better, fits me like a sweater. Nothing but a snuggle will do. To warm you like the sun shining, melting away. Now here's the best timing. Every day's a snuggle day. Snuggle bug, it'd be no trouble if you snuggle up with me.